Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear all chats on WeChat. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app on your device. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the Settings option. Go to the General Settings. In the General Settings, scroll down and find the Clear All Chats option. Simply tap on it. Here you can see the Clear All option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear to make sure you want to delete all chats. Finally, tap on Clear All Chats to confirm. And that's it. This is how you can clear all chats on WeChat. Thank you for watching Take My Lives. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.